Forget the gym membership, just buy yourself a 911. Oh yeah, we're back on the 911. Now this is a Porsche 911 from 1984 with a 3.2 in the back. Now if you missed the first episode, the link is in the description. We basically stripped this, we had a look at the rust. There's plenty of rust on this, unfortunately. I know it looked absolutely gleaming when it came in, but it is rusty, unfortunately. But this is where, oh, it's not plugged in. This is where Frost have come into action with this Eastwood Contour SCT. I think it's an SCT. Why do I keep forgetting that? So we're going to put this to use and see how good it actually is, see how long this actually lasts. Now there's been issues on this car before. There's bad welding here, there's welds that have not been ground down, and there's still rust in this section, so this all needs repairing. So, like I say, this is where the... I thought you said you plugged it in. This is where the Eastwood SCT comes in, because this will remove all of this without any issue, and we can see exactly what we need to repair. But first, we're going to get this car up in the air. We're going to start removing the underseal underneath. Forget the gym membership, just buy yourself a 911 and just strip the underseal, because it gives you a hell of a shoulder workout. So this is mostly done. We've done that front section, we've done this belly pan just about all the way up to the engine, so that's all sorted. We've made an absolute mess, it's all over me, I've had it in my eyes and everything, not good. So now I'm going to give stripping the underseal a rest, and I'm going to start on these body panels. So I've got the two doors, the boot and the bonnet that I can take off, and also potentially this petrol tank as well, because obviously we don't want that in there when we're grinding or welding or cutting. I've got a belly pan to take off here, so I can obviously get to the fuel line to make sure that everything's disconnected adequately. And yeah, let's get into it. Right, so that's the doors, the bonnet and the boot off. Now, I've taken the 2 light pods out as well, and the back of them are very rusty. So the 2 screws that are actually holding them on, I think I only rescued 1 screw out of 4. So yeah, we need to sort that out. Also, one of these connections, it looks like it was very corroded and it just popped itself out. So yeah, that's that. That needs sorting. But for now, I'm going to get this bumper off, get these 2 side sections out. I'm going to get this off as well. And then we'll see how much rust is underneath that back bumper. Well, there you have it. We've got a lot of work done in episode 2. Now we've got the bonnet, the boot, the doors, the rear lights. We've got this petrol tank out. We've got some underseal off. We've got some ancillary little items off as well. Now catch us in episode 3 where we're going to remove that engine and hopefully we're going to get this front running gear off.